Kaya mula ngayon, yung mga taong yan na nagsabi sa inyo na may sakit ako, na baldado na ako, ha? Ngayon alam ninyo, puro sinungaling yung mga yan. Kaya't lahat ng sasabihin ng mga yan, kasinungalingan. Kaya't huwag nyo nang paniwalaan kung sino man yung mga yun. Now you know who the liars are and who is telling the truth. And once again, I think it's very, very easy and very clear that I'm in very, very good health. I just had everything. My numbers are. I just had my regular blood test kasi nagpapaano ko ng vitamins and everything, and I'm fine. I'm really quite fine. The last time that I went to the hospital was to have my CAT scan to show na yung diverticulitis ko gumaling na. So that was what? 2.5, 3 months ago. Mga ganun. So that's all these reports of me going to the hospital. I haven't been to the hospital for 3 months, and even then it was just to have a CAT scan, because the CAT scan to tell my doctors if the diverticulitis has completely been fixed, and it was, and I'm done. My diet is back to normal. My exercise is back to normal. I still exercise 3-4 times a week. I'm watching my food better than before. But you know, so
Maintenance medicine, sir?
I'm sorry.
Maintenance medicines?
Maintenance medicine for no. I have two. One for gout, which is lopurinol. Nung nasa lahi namin mga Ilocano magka-gout eh. And the other is for high blood pressure, for hypertension. Those are the only two medicines that I take. The others that I take are nothing really. When I have allergies, I take an antihistamine. Pero wala naman ngayon. Aside from that, that's it. That's it.